Oh, it's not that time of the day for that sound, but it still sounds pretty darn good. It is Thursday, July the 27th, 2023. Up here in Potsdam, New York, getting unloaded, making it happen. And we got the free truck wash going outside, and as always, forgot the soap. Well, I'm here in Potsdam, and it's raining. I'm here in Potsdam, and I'm complaining about the rain that no one really gives a damn about here in Potsdam, yeah. I love that sweatshirt for some reason. This phone and its focusing issues today. It's crazy. It's coming down pretty good right now. I believe that's the drainage from the roof. I feel bad for the crew though, because the dock here is outside. So those who are working between the trailer and inside the door there, I'm sure they're getting a little damp today. And they've got a full trailer. There's over 1,900 pieces, and it was loaded right to the tail. I feel bad for them. I really do, sincerely. Walking in the rain. Wait, hold on. Vlogging in the rain. Vlogging in the rain. What a glorious feeling we're having today. I decided to take a little walk. It's only a light rain now. And it actually feels pretty good. Yes, it does. Okay, so here's the situation. I arrived here at 5:35 a.m. this morning. Backed in at 6 a.m. this morning. It is currently 10 after 1 in the afternoon. I think 7 hours to unload is a new record for this account. For me, anyway. This location here for this account used to be one of the fastest locations to unload, and they have become one of, if not the slowest. And I don't know why or what's up with that. I'm just thankful that I'm paid by the hour and not the mile, because if I was paid by the mile, I probably would have dropped the trailer and headed home a long time ago. Or I've been screaming for detention time. Getting out of here is about as much fun as a three-legged cat trying to cover up a turd on a marble floor. And I don't have time to pick anything up now up here in the North Country. Okay, come on, let's get going here. Can't find them, grind them. There we go. And seeing how I don't have much time to pick anything up here in the North Country, because I have 3 hours and 22 minutes left on the clock. It takes about 2 hours and 40 minutes to get back to Syracuse, so I'm just taking this empty trailer back to Syracuse, and I'm going to call it a day. Maybe I'll remember how to shift along the way. It could happen. We all have our moments, no matter how long you've been doing this. Uno, dos, 1, 2, 3, cuatro. I am back. Let's see, off duty. Come on, all right, certify my log for the day. I agree. Okay, I am back in Syracuse. I got 13 hours and 35 minutes today, which is awesome. I have 48 and a half hours for the week. So as long as I get more than 12 hours tomorrow, I will be good for my 60 hours per the week, which I will most likely get because I got a big 2-stop delivery tomorrow. Originally, I had my usual Plattsburgh routine for tomorrow, but then there's been a change of plans. I got the big northern 2-stop run in Messina and Plattsburgh instead. And right now it is 4:15 in the afternoon, which means I got to go home, get something to eat, take a nap, be up about 12:15 to be back in the yard about 2:15. Good times. Good times indeed.